No loot, yeah. No loot, yeah. No loot, yeah. New loot, paid off, cause I know these niggas ain't getting real money. I know them niggas ain't gon' die for ya. I know these niggas ain't gon' kill nothing. I know these bitches ain't gon' live for me. Now I'm wiped up, these hoes ain't hearing from me. Eyes wide shut, these hoes ain't see it coming. I'ma go nuts in these hoes, drip peanut butter, love your rabbit, he ain't make it home. For the paddock, we'll take it on. Drug habit, need to take it easy, cause if she lose that, she gon' take it hard. Rated R, AR-15, working like a street team with an A&R. Empty the magazine, all the pages fall. By the time I leave, you done read them all. P-E-R-C, yeah. Percocet guy, nigga, percolating pussy ass nigga, perpetrating and impersonating, bury those cockroaches. I'm the exterminator, make a nigga eat his own words and regurgitate him. Make a nigga see his own blood, start urinating. Blood game, blood like blood, we be circulating. Pow in the morning, leave him looking like turkey bacon. I'ma keep the chopper shined up like a turkey glazed it. Codeine got us looking like turtles racing. Purple drink, weed and heart, I'm a purple racers. I'm with the perfect bitch looking for her replacement. With a curvy bitch coming around the curves, I'm racing. The cardio watch, it deserve the bracelet. From the school of hard knocks, I'm a murder major. My bitch tongue twisted, sperm tornado. Taylor the line that they saying that they see me. Niggas just blind to the fact, no 3D. Down with the diamonds, I'm wearing look HD. Panoramic plasma, big screen, man on fire, 500 degrees. Lambo fire, BB way too high, don't bother to reach me. Rest in peace, mom and GG facts. Trippin' ass nigga, always trippin', but I never fall. Them bitch ass little niggas say they got your back against the wall. I'm a rich ass little nigga, get back after back after back, yeah, I fall. Shots in the back of his skull. She put his head in her hands to dissolve. I might just bring her ass in the stall. Break her ass like the laws, then take her ass to my dogs. Then they treat her ass like a dog, then they feed her ass to the dogs. That Draco attached to me arm, and that whole long ass a baton. Consig on my back and my arms. I spray leave your ass on the lawn, then take all your cash and your coins. That bitch went from Louis Vuitton to DCDG. From Christian Dior back to BB. She be mad last line, cause I really got hoes. Bad bitches posting all these pictures of me. Lot of hoes on the side, right in front of her nose. She say just don't put these hoes above me. Vroom vroom, take off, new juice, yeah, straight sauce. Pum pum bam, eggnog, head on, leg on. New, yeah, paid off. Cause I know these niggas ain't getting real money. I know them niggas ain't gon' die for ya. I know these niggas ain't gon' kill nothing. I know these bitches ain't gon' live for me. Wiped up now, these hoes ain't hear from me. Eyes wide shut, these hoes ain't see it coming. I'ma go nuts on these hoes, drip peanut butter, no sin. That bitch went from Louis Vuitton, DCDG. From Christian Dior back to BB, bitch.